A flick of the tail, a flash of white. She pounces, the sunbeam claws full of light. Whiskers twitch like radar on, eyes like moons at break of dawn. She bats a thread, a ghostly chase, through kingdoms made of pillowcase. With ninja steps and silent grace, she rules the world from fireplace. A crinkle, a jingle, her royal cue. The toy mouse flies, the curtains too. She somersaults, a furry blur, a lioness in miniature. Then pause, a sudden nap attack. Mid-hunt she curls, no looking back. The mighty hunter rests her paws, a queen asleep with velvet